Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I got another product review. It's an Outdoor Edge knife. I'm not sponsored by Outdoor Edge, no paid promotion, anything. I just like making videos of things that I use and things that I think are worth it and good and all that stuff. All right, so last season, I got tired of sharpening my knife. I have a pretty good knife. I love it. It's usually my everyday carry that I carry around, but I got tired of sharpening it. It seemed like it got dull super quick. So my buddy said, you know what? They make knives with, replaceable blades. So I went, did a little bit of research. I found out that they do. They have a lot of different ones. I went to my local Bass Pro Shop, saw this Outdoor Edge one. It was $34.99, $35. It comes with a blade already attached. And it also comes with 5 replacement blades. I've already replaced 1 replacement blade, but I'm holding on to it because it's still kind of sharp. I only cleaned 6 ducks and a goose with it, and the blade is still sharp. So I kept a little pouch, and I'm going to keep it for if I need to cut something else that I don't really care if it's super sharp. So anyways, I'm going to keep it around. And like I said, $35 is nothing. If you drop it, if you lose it, if you break it, $35 is not that big of a deal. If you drop it and the blade breaks, you can just replace the blade. So I'll show you a little bit. It's the Razor EDC Lite 3.5 inch. I know that they make a bunch of different sizes. I don't know the exact size. I wanted this 3.5 inch. So that's the one I got. Like I mentioned before, it's made by Outdoor Edge. Here's your release. So to release it, this button here is to release the blade. It is super simple. It's this simple. You make sure that your knife is open. You press the button. You lift up. That's it. If you look here, there's a track that you can put your blade right back in. So for you to put it right back in, it won't go in until you press that button again. Once you push that button, you can feel it lock in. It's not going anywhere. Like I said, I've already cleaned 6 ducks and a goose. So when I was cleaning, I didn't feel like the blade was wiggling or the blade was going to come out. No worries at all. One thing I wasn't expecting, and I wasn't even researching or anything, was the actual grip on it. Now hear me out. So like I said, when I was researching, I could care less about the grip, what it looked like, anything. I just wanted it, make sure it was good. So then me and my buddy Ryan, we went hunting, got a couple ducks and a goose, and it was time to clean. And it was rainy out. It was pretty rainy out. So my hands are getting wet. You're cutting in there and there's getting blood. So you would think that it would get all slippery, but believe it or not, this actually helped a lot, this grip. So if I ever have to research a new knife, definitely research the grip. To me, it's that important. Let's see what else we got. There's a pocket clip on the back. If you're like me, you're not going to use the pocket clip. You're just going to throw it in your blind bag. There's a little hole here. Put a ring on there, put on a keychain. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but it comes with the blade and 5 extra blades, replacement blades. The replacement blades come in these bags, and it has this little guard on there. So you're not going to poke yourself. You're not going to cut yourself. If you have this in your blind bag, it's not going to rip or cut or do anything. So yeah, it's great. What else we got? I'm impressed with it, man. Like I said, for $35, it's a great deal. So I would think for $35, this is well worth the buy. That's about all I have. Sorry for keeping on rambling. If you have this knife, and let me know how you like it, or if you have a different one that you recommend, let me know how you like that one. But yeah, all right, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching, and please subscribe. That guy Skimpy.